Rastafari.
Great is the Lord and the company of him who established Zion and dirt. Cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah.
Rastafari.
Jaja see them a come.
Company of him who established Zion and dirt. Cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah.
Rastafari.
Come, watch this, but I conqueror.
The company of him who established Zion and dirt. Cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah.
Shed blood, but I run from the flood. Hey, I sit in this yard, I walk. I penetrate the sound, this I go by. What is in the farm of them? I gang I down, he eat I out, and turn with the way I like when them give Marcus yard. Go away! Yeah, but I conqueror. Say them a come, them a come. I with them big lamb. But I conqueror. Big up to me now in the house. The man who play rubber dub the most. Jaja see them a come. Hey, justice a the conqueror. Jaja see them a come. Run come quick. Justice a the conqueror. Them a come with them unfairness. Them no want no justice, eh? Long time ago them coulda keep with that, but no justice up on top. Aye, Jaja see them a come, wicked men. Justice a the conqueror. Jaja see them a come, lion paw. Justice a the conqueror. No matter when, this a sound band. It come with control. Watch your head, watch your step, watch your stupid talk. Hey, Jaja see them a come. Hey, justice a the conqueror. Jaja see them a come. Run come quick, justice a the conqueror.
Rastafari. Rastafari.
Jaja see them a come, but I conqueror. Jaja see them a come, but I conqueror. They are coming to accuse her for things I know not about. They are coming is up and high. Hey, Jaja see them a come. Watch this. But I conquer. Jaja see them a come. But I conquer.
Great is the Lord and the company of your most established sign and dirt. Cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah.
My good friend, William Gordon and Paul Dougal was here. Messiah Gavin, and they gave him away, if you are. 1 pound of rice, big deal of red peas, 100 nut and a piece of raw meat. Jaja see them a come, but I conquer. Jaja see them a come, but I conquer.
My good old prophet Marcus Garvey prophesied, St. Jacob, Del Vigo and Kingston is gonna meet. And I can see with my own eyes, it's only a housing scheme that divide. When the 2 sevens clash,
What was the man who can't hear will feel? And the prophecy is about to reveal. At Eloise Park in 1944, Garvey said, 1977 I go well dread, yeah. How you mean culture? And I want to tell it to your black brothers and sisters. Maybe they can understand that this year 1977 I go well dread, yeah. Why am I telling that the dread doesn't start in the blue? Cause we know Garvey's word must come true. All brutality and war must come to a halt. War and trouble and fire, no, not his fault. Equality and justice must stand, and all righteous man must stand too, you know. Black man has always been oppressed, so we intended never, never, never to rest. The war must be fought with a strong attack, cause we've reached too far to turn back. If you have no confidence in yourself, you're twice defeated in the race of life. But with confidence you have won even before you started. A race without authority and power is a race without respect. Show me a well-organized nation of dread, and I will show you a nation respected by the world. Marcus Messiah Garvey proved how great he was when Bagawaya gave him away.
And it has been destroyed by lightning, earthquake and thunder. I say, what?
Great is the Lord and the company of your most established sign and dirt. Cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah.
Fire burn down. That is a susugo. Fire burn down. Why? Nothing dread. Taking over. Shout it and tell them culture. Nothing dread. Nothing curly Congo higher. Taking on, let's protest. Children of Israel who really love right. For God's sake, I and I as a watchman around Babylonian wall. Oh, children of Israel, I should never hold our peace while wrong is going on day or night. Bust down Babylon gates, I say prepare the way, prepare the way for your people. Fight down war and crime, fight down war and crime, fight down war and crime, and build up righteousness. Jah Rastafari, Jah Rastafari, Jah Rastafari, preserve our people. Come on, Jah Rastafari, Jah Rastafari, Jah Rastafari, preserve our people.
Great is the Lord and the company of the most established sign and dirt. Cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah.
Yeah, man, that's what I'm saying about the sound called justice.
Just say I and I still as a watchman around Babylonian walls. Yes, even up Israel. I should never hold our peace while we are penalized day and night. We should shut down Babylon doors. I say prepare the way, prepare the way for your people. Fight down war and crime, fight down war and crime, fight down war and crime, and build up righteousness. Jah Rastafari, Jah Rastafari, Jah Rastafari, preserve all people. Rastafari, King of Kings, Lord of Lords, conquering Lion. Rastafari, no night in a Zion, there is no night there. Hallelujah, there is no night there. King Rastafari is our light, and we no need no other light. Hallelujah, there is no night there. Come on, make we sing it if I can stop. No night in a Zion, there is no night there. Hallelujah, there is no night there. Rastafari is our light, and we no need no other light. Hallelujah, there is no night there. For the Babylon is full of bad ways and bad decision. All them know to do is make guns and ammunition. Never yet to ever make any good decision. And the people out in the street, they suffer by that. Hear what I'm saying? No night in a Zion, there is no night there. Hallelujah, there is no night there. King Rastafari is our light, and we don't need no other light. Hallelujah, there is no night there.
Great is the Lord and the company of the most established sign and dirt. Cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah. most established sign in dirt. Cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah.
When the sons and daughters look around and see the wondrous thing that Jah done around, the birds and the puppies in a cool place of rest, and even the waters flow, and the shining rainbow beyond the frosty clouds, you know. Satisfaction, fill our heart with love. Jah alone can give us satisfaction, fill our heart with love.
Of your most established sign in dirt. Cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah. Great is the Lord and the company of your most established sign in dirt. Cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah. light to shine and justice sound, yeah.
Calling me song, yeah. Oh, la 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 la. Calling me song, yeah. Oh. Just like the green meat that was really found on Solomon's grave, so it was I that was brought down here enslaved. So it was I that was brought down here enslaved. Whoa. Alright, la 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 la. Calling me song, whoa, you know.
Cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah.
How can I reach How would I possibly I feel wrong. Just like a rose, if you don't water it every morning, it will die. I promise I will look down, keep his commandments, humble myself. I promise I will look down, keep his commandments, humble myself.
So what? Get ready to go to Zion. Please be careful. Get ready to go to Zion.
Praise the Lord and the company of your most established sign in the earth. Cause your light to shine in just this sound, y'all.
We want wicked for I. When I'm alone, Jah be my help all day and night. When I'm way down in this desert, I say a prayer. Oh yes, it answer. I hate a Rastafari and he shake it nuts and I beckon to I. Yeah, I'm alone in the wilderness, yeah. I'm alone with the Almighty I. I'm alone in the wilderness. Only Jah would hear my play. Send up not your prayers to anyone. And when you're gonna read a psalm of prayer, just read it sincerely from your heart. The wicked must fall, yeah, when they hear this sound. Even to the great football, what and all, they've got to bow down and not defeat. Yeah, I'm alone in the wilderness. I'm alone with joy. I'm alone in the wilderness. I prepare to take my medicine. We don't need no tribal in a this time. Tribal war can solve the problem. Oh no, tribal war can solve it at all. You hear what I say? Tribal war can solve the problem. Tribal war can solve it at all. Just the other day, I powered down a riverside. Now he go check Ronnie and scrub some clothes. As she spoke up for herb in her little chalk pipe, she said, sure, not even the soap nor soda again. We got tribal war can solve the problem. My God, tribal war can solve it at all. Tribal war can solve the problem. Oh no, tribal war can solve it at all. I want you to listen up, man. Into you, are you just wake up?
Everything gone up, food gone up, who's gone up, gas gone up, car rental gone up, and everything gone up.
For everywhere she see I am, she want money. Everywhere she see I am, she want money.
That was a fool, you know.
Everywhere she see I am, she want money.
That was a fun girl.
Everywhere she see I am, she want money. She want Velucci pants and focus cap. I got up on flags booty. She want Velucci, she want flags booty. I got up on focus cap. Everywhere she see I am, she want money. That was an idiot. Everywhere she see I am, she want money.
She must have for a bank on their side.
Everywhere she see I am, she want money. Everywhere she see I am, she want money. Monday morning comes, she taps it. Tuesday morning comes, she don't turn up at all. Wednesday evening come, I would eat a little fresh rice, cause I'm a italist. Thursday evening come, she don't turn up at all. Friday morning come when I'm about to get me paid. And when I look her foot stretch out in a debate. For everywhere she see I am, she want money.
That's that was a fool.
Everywhere she see I am, she want money. Everywhere she see I am, she want money. Name everything. Everywhere she see I am, she want money.
Great is the Lord and the company of your most established Zion and dirt. cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah.
Rastafari.
A slice of Mount Zion is for I. A slice of Mount Zion is for I pray to Jah earnestly to please let me live honestly. Love my brother, that's all I need. I need no riches, just harmony. A slice of Mount Zion is for I. A slice of Mount Zion is for I. I'm willing just to lay down at Zion doorway like a footmat. Even the saints of Zion trod upon my back and enter in, but a slice of Mount Zion is for I. A slice of Mount Zion is for I pray every day to see the falling of the wicked man. I know that wickedness will prevail, but only for a little while. And a slice of Mount Zion is for I. A slice of Mount Zion is for I.
Great is the Lord and the company of him who established Zion in the earth, cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah.
Cannot go to Zion with your force. Have manners and enter in a house. You cannot live here with your big gun. All you got to do is help me pray. Let's kneel on our knees and clasp our hand and say, Father, please help me. A slice of Mount Zion is for I. A slice of Mount Zion is for I. Children having children, poverty upon the door. I've seen white squad walking on the street with man under arrest. Hey, a slice of Mount Zion is for I.
Listen, my brother, I'm the Elijah. I'm quenching the fire.
Great is the Lord and the company of him who established Zion in the earth, cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah.
There's a land far, far away. It's called Addis Ababa. There's a land far, far away. It's called Addis Ababa. The ruler of the land, which is far away, his name is King Selassie, King of kings and Lord of lords. The ruler of the land, which is in the east, his name is King Selassie. When I say it, there is a land far, far away. It's called Addis Ababa. There is a land far, far away. It's called Addis Ababa.
Great is the Lord and the company of him who established Zion in the earth, cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah.
Rastafari.
Great is the Lord and the company of him who established Zion in the earth, cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah.
Babylon, they want to take away the Ark of the Covenant from y'all. Ark of the Covenant cannot be taken away from Addis Ababa. Respect. There is a land far, far away. It's called Addis Ababa. Hear me when I say there is a land far, far away. It's called Addis Ababa. Kings of kings and lords of lords, we're a creation. His name is King Selassie. Mussolini tried to invade Ethiopia, but he conquered. His name is King Selassie. Rule and respect. There is a land far, far away. It's called Addis Ababa. Start with I am saying, there is a land far, far away. It's called Addis Ababa. Hold not thy peace, O God of my salvation, because the mouth of the wicked and of the sinful is open.
Come with I. Rastaman throw one stone, and it bring a bad feeling to all wicked men. Out of him foot dread, and the man throw one stone, and it bring a bad feeling to all wicked men. Only when man like Marcus Garvey speak, wicked men would I hear. You know hear. Instead of that, they only sit aside and rob and cheat and oppress the poor. May God, what a sin thing. I have been get throw one stone, and it bring about the feelings to all wicked men. What a plot, bingy man throw one stone, and it bring about the feelings to all wicked men.
The Lord and the company of your most established sign and dirt, cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah.
Rastafari.
They take us away from our homeland. They take us away from our homeland. And we are slaving down here in Babylon. And we are slaving down here in Babylon. We are waiting on an opportunity. We are waiting on an opportunity for the black starliner which is to come. For the black starliner which is to come. Yeah, so long, so long, so long. We are waiting on the black starliner. We are waiting on the black starliner. Oh yeah.
Great is the Lord and the company of your most established sign and dirt, cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah.
Black man meekly wait and murmur not. Meekly wait and murmur not. For the black starliner shall come. For the black starliner shall come. Judge them, judge. In your eyes, judge them. In the region. I chant down Babylon right now. Chant down wicked men right now. Come let me chant down Babylon right now. Them on the wickedness right now. For the Babylon them a fight against the ganja man. The ganja man in a Babylon happens to be the righteous one. I chant down Babylon right now. Eat down wickedness right now. They have committed abominable works. The wickedness reached to the eyes of Jah. The eyes of Jah is looking down, but they cannot see. Emptiness abundant, wickedness bear this year. We chant down Babylon right now. Eat down wicked men right now. Chant down wicked men right now.
The Lord and the company of your most established sign and dirt, cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah.
Rastafari.
day, and suddenly I heard a voice come to I and say, behold, I come quickly to pay every man according as their work shall be. And I know that it was the voice of the Most High. And I know, yes I know, it was the voice of the Most High. He say to wear it on. I come quickly. You hear this is culture.
Great is the Lord and the company of him who established iron and dirt. Cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah.
Like a mirror, reflecting what you do. If your face is smiling, it will smile right back to you. So do unto others as you would have them do, so that your days will be many, many years much longer. And I know that it was the voice of the Most High. Yes, I know, it was the voice of the Most High. Behold, I come quickly. Say to one traveling up the mountain one day, and suddenly I heard a voice come to I and say, behold, I come quickly to pay every man according as their work shall be. And I know that it was the voice of the Most High. And I know, yes I know, it was the voice of the Most High. I come quickly. Yeah, what he say to wear it on. I come quickly. We regret to announce the death of the liars and the thieves and all those that bust gun upon them brethren for nothing at all and keep on robbing the innocent man night and day. Tell me, oh you that go walk with ya, when your dirty ways not right. You open your gun upon my innocent man. So tell me, oh you that go walk with ya, it will be pretty flowers and good box. For you got to meet your Waterloo. You open fire down in a Rima and in a Franklin town there too. Hey, Ursa go run
run tonight. Whether red, blue, pink or white, you don't live up in this world like a man. So tell me, oh, you da go walk with ya. What a something. What a fight. What a controversy. What a lullaby on the tractor when the rice cannot dry. Why? Give me the mic. It will be pretty flowers on board box. Start to laugh after Rastaman locks. How you da go face yourself, you are a idiot. Tell me how you da go walk with ya. Something going go wrong tonight. Those dirty ways not right. You use your own teeth to cut your own throat. Tell me how you da go walk with ya. That bell a go ring at your door, 'cause you cheat and no praise the poor. Just see and know they cannot take it no more. Lord, separation knocking at their doors. Hey, tell me how you da go walk with ya. When your greedy belly too full, you bite off too much, more than what you can chew. I'm craving a good choke puppy. Hey, tell me how you da go walk with ya. My God is riding. My God is riding on the wall. Rastafari is riding. God is riding on the wall. Whatever you do and whatever you say, yeah. My God is riding on the wall. Riding on the wall. The chances you take and the mistakes you make. My God is riding on the wall. How fast you go and how fast you break. My God is riding on the wall. Hear what I'm saying? My God is riding on the wall. There's no use to chat with the devil. It's useless. For me now go in a Babylon kingdom, go beg no bread. Me now go in a Babylon kingdom, go beg no bread. For Satan company, them are snipers. Satan company, them are snipers. I go in a Babylon kingdom, go beg them bread. Me not try in a Babylon kingdom, go beg them bread. For Satan company, them a sniper, all of them. Satan company, them a sniper. They rob and they cheat the poor people all the time. They sit and keep a conference while some drink wine. Say, Satan company, them a sniper. Me Lord, the Satan company, yeah, them a sniper. I don't want to be in their conference at all, to try and keep poor black people down. Say, Satan company, them a sniper. They're all Satan company, them a sniper. every day like your apartment. You think I saw? So tell me where you get your bread, Mr. Seven. Tell me where you get your bread each day and night. So tell me where you get your bread, Mr. Seven. Tell me where you get your bread each time. Have you ever worked a forklift? Hustling day and night on the wharf. Have you ever worked a taxi? Sleeping on the street side all night long to find some food. So tell me where you get your bread, Mr. Slugger. Tell me where you get your bread each time you lift your knife and fork. Somebody, won't somebody tell me please what's going on? Won't somebody, won't somebody, won't somebody tell me please what's going on? With our people, with your people, they're playing a dirty trick, open them. With your people, they're trying hard to mislead them. With our children, they're trying hard to indoctrinate them. With our children's education, they're trying their best to fool the children. Won't somebody, won't somebody, won't somebody please tell me what's going on? What a set of people then, Lord. And a bowl, knife a throw, nothing there. And a bowl, knife a throw, nothing there. See them, come live with them. It's a different thing. See them, come live with them. It's a different thing. They have to give you basket to carry water. Keep it in their hearts. Just pure what they are after. See them, come live with them. God, it's a different thing. See them, come live with them. It's a different thing. They all are on a bowl, knife and throw, no love in their eyes. On a bowl, knife and throw, no love in their eyes. If you try to be good to them, they call you the big boss. And if you try to be courteous, they take you right out as a madman. Come live with them, it's a different thing. See them, come live with them, Lord, it's a different
you most establish Zion and dirt. Cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah.
I tried and I tried and I tried and I tried to make them understand. I tried and I tried and I tried and I tried, but they just can't understand. I tried and I tried and the Lord know I tried to make them understand. I tried, I know I tried, but they just can't understand. The more victimization is upon their back, the more foolish they become. The more victimization is upon their back, they satisfy Lord for less. I tried, I know I tried, but they just can't understand. I tried and I tried and I tried and I tried, but they just can't understand.
Great is the Lord and the company of your most established Zion and dirt. Cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah.
This one turn them fool, that one turn them fool. So what are they waiting for? Fix up yourself and prepare to meet Jah, that you satisfy Lord for more. I tried, I know I tried, but they just can't understand. I try and I try and I try and I try, but they just can't understand. This is the time when man and man should realize that the youths and youths need justice, and it's time to move. And Babylon remove. Youth man move, is that the youth man move? Youth man move, is that the youth man move? Youth man move, is that the youth man move? Oh God, youth man move, is that the youth man move? Youth man move from off the street, come let's find something to do. Instead of leaning on the park, with our ears will cock. Just leaning on the park, listening everybody's talk. Come let us find with Lord to be down illiteracy. Come let us find with to be down illiteracy. Youth man move, is that the youth man move? Youth man move, is that the youth man move? Touchdown and jungle, youth man move, is that the youth man move? August town. Study youth man. Look how you check and read and mash up. And you know you where the Rasta man say you not fi sniff no cocaine down there. You know you where the Rasta man say you not fi sniff no cocaine down there. The cocaine I get them off, get them soft, get them soft. The cocaine I get them off, get them soft, get them soft. Me say the cocaine I get them off, get them soft, get them soft. The cocaine I get them off, get them soft, get them soft. As them start to sniff the cocaine, them no want change them clothes again. Neither clean them boot, me God neither wash them dirty foot. Lord, the cocaine I get them off, get them soft. Soft. The cocaine I get them off, get them soft, get them soft.
Great is the Lord and the company of your most established Zion and dirt. Cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah.
Love shines brighter than the morning sun. Love shines brighter every day. Oh yeah. Love shines brighter than the morning sun. Love shines brighter every day. Oh yeah. You jump and wake up in the mornings, for it was love that caused your first heartbeat. Oh yeah. Check the green trees, how they bow their heads way down low. They give thanks and praises to the Father. Oh yeah. Love shines brighter than the
before it has been said that when either a man or a woman vow the vow for Nazarite, no scissors nor razor shall be upon his head, and this is said by the kings of kings and lords of lords, our imperial majesty Emperor Haile Selassie. Jah Rastafari.
Jah Rastafari.
We go Babylon now. We go Rasta go tear down Babylon. Rasta go tear down Babylon. I go tear down Babylon. Rasta go tear down Babylon. Babylon we Babylon Rasta go tear down Babylon. Rasta go tear down Babylon. Bongo Farai go tear down Babylon. Rasta go tear down Babylon. Hail to the Most High God, Jah Rastafari. Crown him with many a crown, kings of kings and lords of lords. The conquering lion of the tribe of Judah, Kurumari, Adi, Selassie. Them just a stretch them neck across the fences just to see where the Rasta man a come. Them just a stretch them neck across the fences just to see where the Rasta man a come. You've got to be clean inside. You've got to be united just to see when the Rasta man a come. You've got to have charity and love within your heart just to see when the Rasta man a come. Can't be no prostitute living. You've got to be clean and full and right just to see when the Rasta man a come. Be grudgeful, nor red eye, nor licky, nor eat swine. Just to see when the Rasta man come.
Jah Rastafari.
Great is the Lord and the company of him who established iron and dirt. Cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah.
Jah Rastafari.
So long Babylon a fool and so long. So long Babylon a fool and so long. For the enemies around trying to devour. So long Babylon just a fool and so long. I want to see King Rastafari to look upon your pretty face. We want to walk the streets of glory, shining around your throne. So not the Gentiles them to come, run come to look upon your pretty face. Far we are going home to see King Rastafari.
still I see at the root of David. Hallelujah. Hallelujah, Congo, I King Selassie at the root of David. Chant it out. Hallelujah. Hallelujah, Congo, I King Selassie at the root of David. Hallelujah. Hallelujah, Congo,
Is the Lord and the company of your most established sign and dirt. Cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah.
Jah Rastafari.
Tell me Emmanuel dead. No man, no man, no man, no man. No man can tell me King Selassie dead. No man, no man, no man, no man. No man can take them out of my head. No man, no man, no man, no man. Sure flesh and gone, but the spirit's live on. As I was smoking my sensei, meditating on the Almighty, then in the whirlwind Marcus came blowing in to join me in a deep conversation. It's so sad to see Babylon kingdom and the downfall. Black man still don't know themselves. Now them back is against the wall. No man can tell me Marcus Garvey dead. No man, no man, no man, no man. No man can tell me Emmanuel dead. No man, no man, no man, no man. No man can tell me King Selassie dead. No man, no man, no man, no man. No man can take them out of my head. No man, no man, no man, no man. Their voices are louder today than how it was yesterday. Then I saw the rainbow, and I already know. He's the first blood price for the Moses, Prince Emmanuel, Melchizedek the seventh. No man can tell me Marcus Garvey dead. No man, no man, no man, no man. No man can tell me Emmanuel dead. No man, no man, no man, no man. No man can tell me Marcus Garvey dead. No man, no man, no man, no man. No man can tell me Emmanuel dead. No man, no man, no man, no man. It's so sad to see Babylon kingdom and the downfall. Black man still don't know themselves. Now them back is against the wall. Then I saw the lightning, and I know it was him. King of kings, Lord of lords, the conquering lion of the tribe of Judah. Father of the fatherless, His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Hilll Selassie I, Rastafari. No man can tell me Marcus Garvey dead. No man, no man, no man, no man. No man can tell me Emmanuel dead. No man, no man, no man, no man. No man can tell me King Selassie dead. No man, no man, no man, no man. No man can take them out of my head. No man, no man, no man, no man. Sure flesh and gone, but the spirit's live on. As I was smoking my sensei, meditating on the Almighty, then in a whirlwind Marcus came blowing in to join me in a deep conversation. It's so sad to see Babylon kingdom and the downfall. Black man still don't know themselves. Now them back is against the wall. No man